So now we want to condense logarithmic expressions as opposed to expanding them. So when we expand them, we have one logarithm and we're kind of pulling apart the factors, and then the exponents, we're bringing them down. So now we want to run it the other way. So they're going to give it to us all pulled apart, and we put it back together as one logarithm. So we'll see how those properties work. So if we have log base b of m plus log base b of n, we can combine that to one logarithm, log base b of mn. So we're just running the property the other way. So if we have addition of two things, we can put it together as multiplication. Similarly with subtraction, if we have two logarithms that are being subtracted, we could put them together as one logarithm with the arguments being divided. Now, you have to remember the bases have to be the same. Okay, and then the last one, if we have like some little number in front of the logarithm, not necessarily a little number, but we can put it back up on top as an exponent. So that becomes log base b of m to the lowercase n. So we're just taking all those properties we had before. They're not new properties. They work both ways, and we're running them the other way. So here's an example. We have all base 3, so the bases have to match. And then we have two things that are being added and one thing that's being subtracted. So we're going to say that's going to be 5 times 8, so it's going to be log base 3. The ones that are positive will go in the numerator, so 5 times 8 divided by 2, because 2 is being this one's being subtracted, so the 2 goes in the denominator. Then we can do the math, log base 3 of 40 divided by 2, which is going to be log base 3 of 20. And then that's written as a single logarithm. Okay, so that's the goal. And then I think that's all for that video.